Hello everyone! We are now live here at P Floor Times Plaza Building, United Nation Avenue, Ermita, Manila. I am Patrick Garcia and I am one of the pathway consultant and also a documentation officer here in Phil Global. We are live here in Facebook. No? So to all of our Facebook Live viewers, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Okay, so for this afternoon live talk show, we will discuss the opportunities about Germany, the programs in Germany, and also yung sinasabi nating 200,000 all-in expense. Wow, very affordable program in Germany. So to all of our viewers na nangangarap makapunta ng ibang bansa, ito na yung inyong sign na hinihintay. Okay, so without further ado, let's introduce our school partner in Germany in Gisma University of Applied Sciences.
Hello. Hello everyone, good afternoon, and Patrick, good afternoon. Thank you so much for having me. My name is May. You can call me May, you can call me Maria. I'm the Regional Director of Gisma University of Applied Sciences, Southeast Asia.
Okay, so we have here Miss May, May Papa, to discuss the opportunities and also program about Gisma University of Applied Sciences. So, I know si Gisma University of Applied Sciences, Miss May, is hindi na ganun kabago sa ating mga viewers dito sa ating Facebook page in Phil Global because lagi tayo nagkakaroon ng webinar. Pero para sa mga bago, para sa mga bagong viewers natin in Facebook main page, can you tell us about Gisma University of Applied Sciences?
Alright, so Gisma University is a fully state recognized University of Applied Sciences. Of course, located in Germany. We have 2 campuses in Berlin and in Potsdam. We offer programs in business, tech, and engineering, and of course, the Global MBA.
Okay, so more on business management. But for Filipinos, ma'am, ano yung popular program para sa mga Filipinos?
In any programs naman, so far in my experience, ang business is always there. Hindi nawawala,
yeah, actually.
Marami tayong mga potential student or interested na mga to be an international student na nag-apply ng mga business program. Ang the good thing kasi sa business din, wala siyang very specific kailangan na background. So, any background can apply sa business programs. Ang programs po namin, we have bachelors and masters. And with this, if we're talking about the business, we have the bachelors and masters ng business management with different specialization. Nandiyan ang logistic, nandiyan ang cybersecurity, ang project management, nandiyan ang finance, nandiyan ang human resources. And then, meron din kaming mga super popular na programs sa tech. Alam niyo naman ang tech these days, kailangan talaga tayo ay updated and upgraded. So, meron tayong Masters ng Data Science AI, and then meron din tayo ng Digital Transformation, meron din tayong Masters ng Engineering Computer Science, meron tayong Bachelor ng Software Engineering. Now, ang maganda, Patrick, meron din kaming programs na super interesting. Yung ating bagong masters, ang masters ng social media and influencer marketing. Imagine, ang ating mga vlogger at ang ating mga social media influencer. Pwede na po pala kayong mag-masters with the masters ng social media and influencer marketing. Now, ang very exciting din this afternoon is meron kaming bagong launch na masters. This is the masters ng project management at saka yung ating master of science ng supply chain management. So this is a very in-demand and popular program din. Nandito na po sa Gisma University. Kayo po ang unang-unang nakaalam this afternoon. And of course, the Global MBA. Ang Global MBA namin, Patrick, ang super okay at maganda dito. We have one of the highest accreditation. It's called the AMBA accreditation na 5 lang ang universities or business school ang meron ng accreditation na to sa Global MBA sa buong Germany at 2% sa buong mundo. When it comes to intakes, very flexible din tayo. We have 4 intakes a year, January, April, July, and October.
Okay, so napakadaming programs na pwede nating pagpilian in Gisma University of Applied Sciences. So, Miss May, you already mentioned na meron tayong bagong program in Gisma, Masters in Logistic Management and also Supply Chain Management. May I know if it's already available na ba Pwede na ba sila mag-enroll this year?
Okay, good question. So, available na siya, pero ang start ng class natin, of course, is sa January intake, January 2026.
January.
Pwede nang i-apply, but yeah, ang start ng class is going to be January next year, 2026. So, again, Master of Science ng Project Management and Master of Science ng Supply Chain Management.
Okay, so para po dun sa ating mga viewers dyan sa ating Facebook Live, no, kung meron kayong mga gustong program, please comment down below at mamaya, no, titignan natin kung available ba yung mga programs na napili ninyo sa GISMA University of Applied Science. And if ever may mga questions kayo about programs, no, in GISMA, please comment down below para po makita natin or malaman din natin kung ano yung mga gusto po ninyo. Okay. So, Miss May, since yung ating school is located in Germany, matanong ko lang din, bakit si Germany yung dapat nilang piliin at bakit si GISMA yung dapat nilang piliin na school in Germany?
Okay, so that is a very, common thing na dapat alam ng mga ating future international student. At palagi ko rin pong sinasabi, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng option, ano bang study destination ang para sa inyo? It's better to check lahat ng option. Kasi kung nakafix ang mind natin dun sa usual study destination, hindi na ninyo chinek yung other study destination, medyo baka may ma-miss out kayo.
Yes.
So, here is the thing, kung hindi ganun pa-popular ang Germany in the past few years in the Philippine market, I know marami tayong mga ibang kilala na study destinations. But here is the thing, if you're going to study sa Germany as an international student, marami rin po kayong benefits na makukuha.
Yes.
Unang-una, why Germany? Tanong ni Patrick, no? Ang Germany po, they have the largest economy sa buong Europe. So meaning to say, kung mataas or sila na ang may malaking ekonomiya sa buong Europe, then mababa ang unemployment. Siyempre gusto natin yan. We're not going to invest in this kind of, study pathway, mag-aaral uli, gagastos ng malaking tuition, and then at the end of the day, ang hirap pala na mag-settle in sa country at wala kayong trabaho or tatrabahuhin in the future. So, that's the main thing. And then, another thing po is, ang maganda sa Germany, mataas din po ang minimum wage. So, pag kayo ay nag-international student, you can actually work part-time, no? And 12.82 euros per hour ang ating minimum wage. And then, sa benefits naman, if we're gonna talk about the benefits, ang isa sa pinakamaganda that I don't think you can get, no, sa other study destination apart from Europe, is yung, alam mo ba, Patrick, pag ikaw ay nag-aral na sa Germany at nandoon ka na, ay pwede kang pumasyal sa 29 European countries, part of the Schengen countries.
Wow.
So with that, 9 borders tayo in Germany, and this border is by land lang. No? So, bukod sa pwede ka nang mamasyal sa 29 European countries without a visa, less pa yung gastos. Lahat tayo mahilig magpasyal-pasyal. I believe, no? Kaya lang sometimes, hindi tayo natutuloy kasi kulang ang budget. Okay? So, this is your chance na kasi hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki. Imagine, border to border ka lang to travel from one European countries from Germany to another through the Eurotrains. Also, less ang gastos. Walang mahal na flights. Hindi rin masyadong malayo. So, tanong, pwede mo bang gawin yan sa other study destination apart from Europe? I don't think so, right? Going to another country in, for example, in North America, punta ka lang din sa USA, you still need to get a visa. Kahit border lang ang pagitan natin. And very limited. We're talking about 29 European countries na pwede ninyong puntahan, again, without a visa, at hindi nyo kailangan gumastos ng mahal. Another benefit na maganda rin sa Germany, of course, is kung kayo po ay nandoon na, nag-aral na, can you stay back in the country? Yun ang tanong eh. Sa Germany, yes, you can. Meron tayong post-study work visa na tinatawag. For an international student, that's 18 months. Standard po yan, kahit anong program ang i-apply nyo, whether it's bachelor's or master. And of course, the EU Blue Card. Ang EU Blue Card is super maganda rin ang benefit. So kung kanina, pwede kayong mag-travel sa iba't ibang European country. This time naman, ang maganda is, ang EU Blue Card po, kailangan or pag na-apply nyo na, pwede naman kayong mag-work sa iba't ibang European countries. Right,
Wow.
Patrick?
Yes. Ang ganda ng ganung opportunity kasi hindi lang Germany, hindi ka lang nasa Germany. You can explore other countries na once you have your EU Blue Card.
Correct. And then, ang pag-apply po ng EU Blue Card, it's not that complicated then. So kayo, as an international student, very eligible kayo to apply for the EU Blue Card kasi ang 3 major requirements to get it. Number 1, dapat po kayo ay may degree na natapos sa Germany. So, di ba, kayo yung best candidate for the EU Blue Card. Yung degree ninyo, whether it's master or a bachelor degree, it's a degree na required number 1 for the application ng EU Blue Card. Padalawa, dapat ang work po na inyong tatrabahuhin ay align sa natapos ninyong degree. Of course, sa Pilipinas lang uso yung iba-iba. No?
Iba-iba.
Hindi tayo po pwede doon na, okay, graduate ka, for example, ng data science, ang work mo is in a different industry. Mag-work tayo kung ano yung align kasi marami naman pong opportunities with that. Patatlo, dapat ang minimum wage ninyo is nasa around at least mga 45,000 euros annually. Okay? So, kayang-kaya natin ang EU Blue Card. Siyempre, Patrick, hindi lang naman din tayo nakafocus din pagdating doon sa post-study work visa and the EU Blue Card. Ano ba yung usual lagi na kailangan din ng ating mga Filipino student based on your experience?
Actually, their goal talaga is to become a permanent resident.
Correct. So, pwede rin po yan sa Germany, no? You can apply a residency din with the help of the EU Blue Card. Mapa-fast track po yan. And with that is, ang maganda, pwede ka pong makapag-apply ng residency within 2 years na nagtrabaho ka with the EU Blue Card. Again, dapat align, no? Sa natapos mo ang work mo. And eventually, of course, kapag nandun ka na sa stage na yun, at least 3 to 5 years to apply for citizenship. Okay?
Wow, napakadaming benefits.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi na ako nakapagsalita kasi sobrang daming benefits about Germany, studying in Germany. Unang-una, nasa around 12 euro, no, 12.8. 12.82 euro ang per hour ng isang international student in Germany. Between yun, if you will convert it into peso, it's 1 day salary na ng isang employee dito sa Pilipinas, but that's your 1 hour salary in Germany. So talagang ang laki ng difference, ang laki ng maiipon natin once na nandun tayo sa Germany at nag-aaral at nagtatrabaho at the same time. Yun naman talaga yung gustong-gusto din ng mga Filipinos natin ngayon. At the same time din, hindi lang talaga puro study, Miss May, na mention mo, na pwede rin sila makapagtrabaho full-time after mag-aral. So yun na yung time talaga for them to earn money, more money, no, not only for them but also for their family. Yun yung kinagandahan. Kaya maraming Filipino ngayon, actually here in Global, maraming nag-i-inquire in Germany, no, because yun nga, maganda yung opportunities and benefits, no, once they study in Germany. Okay, so may meron lang ako mga na-experience or may mga na-encounter na student or applicant, they are very concerned when it comes to language. Like, iniisip nila, sir, ibang language ang Germany, baka hindi ko kayanin, baka ako ay mahirapan. So, papaano ang isang international student in Germany when it comes to the language?
Okay, so magandang tanong yan. Kasi naturally, of course, ang Germany po ay hindi sila English speaking. No, so meron talaga silang specific language, which is the German language. So, hindi po required kapag kayo ay nag-apply sa GISMA University ang German language. That's the good thing. And the reason for that is 100% po ng programs namin are taught in English. So, hindi kailangan ng German language. Now, when it comes to the embassy application, syempre, nagbe-base din naman ng embassy depende sa requirements ng university with the language. But, palagi ko ring sinasabi, to set the expectation, ay pagdating nyo doon, eventually, you need to learn the language.
Yes, no? Kailangan talaga siya. Oo.
Tayo
you have to adjust.
Right? So, parang, pwede ba namang sila ang mag-adjust sa atin? Hindi
kaya
po pwede. So, dapat tayo din ang mag-a-adjust sa country. At marami ring benefits, of course, if you're going to learn the German language kasi required din yan kapag post-study work visa na kayo, naka-full-time job na kayo. That's one of the requirements, yung A1 or yung basic German language. At kung matuto kayo ng German language ay ganda points yan at pogi points po yan. Kasi ang German language po is the second most spoken language sa buong Europe. Since you will have the opportunity to roam around the 29 European countries and probably work there in the future, bonus na kayo ay natuto na ng German language.
Yes, advantage natin yan, guys, no? Kasi hindi naman employer ang mag-a-adjust sa atin when it comes to language. Tayo din. So we have to learn their language for us to get yung maraming trabaho, ganyan, maraming opportunities, no? Para that way hindi lang ganun ka konti na yung opportunity kung mag-stick lang tayo into English language. At nabanggit din ni Miss May, kung yun ang concern ninyo, ang German language, hindi required ang German language in GISMA. So, as long as you can speak in English, you can understand the English language, then you can apply to GISMA University of Applied Sciences. Kasi yan talaga, ma'am, yung usually na-encounter natin.
Yes, correct
ng
naman.
mga concerns ng mga applicant or ng mga student. Okay. So, next question, ma'am. What kind of support does the university provide to help international students?
Yes, marami po kaming support no, sa ating mga international student. Number one, of course, is from the start na kayo ay nagpa-admit na sa amin sa admission process pa lang. Andiyan na ang assistant din ng ating partner agents like Phil Global. Kung kayo po ay kailangan ng assistance sa accommodation sa airport pickup, we have that kind of service. Sa website po namin yan. And then, of course, ang isa sa pinakamagandang service na pinuprovide natin, yung career services support. Very important yan. Kasi pagdating nyo doon, nag-aral na kayo sa amin sa GISMA University, is our priority and goal din na magkaroon kaagad kayo ng trabaho after graduation. So, mataas ang employability rate ng GISMA University and we want to maintain that. So, through the career services, marami kaming, like for example, we do preparation para sa ating mga international student. We do a personality development workshop. Meron tayong tuturuan kayo how to write a proper CV or resume, how to answer interviews through the mock interviews. May mga career fair, mga job fair din tayo. And meron kaming partnership sa malalaking mga company. Like for example, SAP. Now with SAP, it is one of the tech giant sa Germany. So with that, magkakaroon kayo ng mataas na chance, of course, to be employed in the future, and yung ating mga programs, and of course, we have the internship. And we assist with the internship as well. Kung saan kayong company, of course, papasok para sa inyong internship.
Okay, so yun para sa mga may hinang loob. No, actually, meron silang support or career services support group na pwedeng tumulong din sa inyo to enhance yung inyong communication skills when it comes to interview, to revise your resume into a format in Germany that you can use when applying for a job, for part-time job and also for full-time job in Germany. When it comes on, naman, Miss May, when it comes on location, gaano kaganda ang location ng GISMA? Kasi yan din talaga yung gusto ng mga estudyante. Kasi sa Germany, di ba, may mga province area na talagang halos gitnang bukid. So, baka inisip nila, baka pupunta sila sa area na wala talagang opportunity or ma-apply na trabaho.
So, that's one thing din na minake sure namin. Number one, we are in a very good location in Germany. Dalawa ang campuses natin. We have the Berlin and the Potsdam campus. So, as you know, Berlin is the capital of Germany. So, kung capital na yan, nandito na lahat, no?
Yeah.
Super busy. Nandito ang ating, ito ang business area. Malapit kami sa mga shops, sa mga restaurants, sa mga hotels. And ang maganda, yung atin namang Potsdam campus, kung medyo gusto nyo naman ng konting chill na vibe, medyo tone down ng konti, no? Hindi masyadong busy, then that's the best place for you. With nature, maganda, may mga lakes, scenery, and marami pa ring trabaho at the same time kasi it's still a city ang Potsdam. And actually from Berlin, it's only 30 minutes away.
Okay, so yun guys, narinig nyo yun. The location of GISMA University is located sila in Berlin, which is capital in Germany, and also in Potsdam. So when it comes to the work opportunities, nandyan sa area na yan. So, kasi kung isipin niyo Germany, may mga area dyan talaga na masyadong liblib ba, or province, sobrang province. So baka isipin niyo walang opportunity kayo na, or trabaho na ma-applyan once you study. But as you can see, GISMA is located in the capital of Germany, in Berlin, and also in Potsdam. Okay, so again, to all of our viewers, if ever guys, you have a question, please comment down below para mapag-usapan natin at masagot natin yan maya-maya in our live talk show. Okay, so Miss May, let's talk about naman about the admission and also the tuition fee. Ito yung pinaka-gusto din nilang malaman when it comes on the expenses. Magkano ba yung magagastos nila if they enroll in GISMA? And nasa magkano ba yung tuition fee ng program for the whole duration?
Yes. So, isama na rin natin ang scholarships
Yes.
and discounts since we're talking about the price. So, ang maganda, duration pa lang ng program is okay na tayo. Hindi nyo kailangan ng 2 years na master. No, you can actually study a 1-year master in Germany.
Sobrang
so, shorter
simple.
duration. Siyempre,
Yeah.
mas mura. Mas affordable pa rin. Kung kukumpitin ninyo, lalo na kung sa ibang study destination ay required pa kayo na mag-aral ng 2 years na master. Siyempre, ayaw na natin ng masyadong mahabang aral, no? Dito tayo sa maigsi lang. So, ang ating mga programs ng masters, nag-range tayo, depende. Ang pinaka sa isang taon is around 15,500 euros, but we are giving good discounts. No, ang discount natin, depends yan sa scholarship na ma-avail ninyo. Kung for example, kayo ay mag-a-apply ng ating Women in Tech Scholarship, kayo dapat ay may background sa tech, nakagraduate ng any tech-related degree at maganda ang work experience, you can actually avail from 50 to 100%. Like kung sinasabi, there's no harm in trying.
Up
You
to
can
100,
apply.
ma'am.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Up to 100%.
Sobrang laki.
So sa isang taon, with that scholarship, we're giving 12 na 50% and then 4 ng 100% sa buong isang taon. Pero dapat maganda ang profile again and based on assessment yan ng ating admission. Now, meron din kaming additional discount yung ating Think Digital Scholarship around 1,000 euros, and with that one, ang program na eligible ay yung Masters ng Engineering Computer Science, Masters ng Digital Transformation, tsaka yung Masters natin ng Data Science AI. So on top of the standard payment plan, meron kayong 1,000 off or 1,000 euros na discount. So ano naman yung discount ng payment plan? If you want to pay in installment, walang problema. At ang maganda sa installment namin, pwede po kayong magbayad na lang ng 1,500 euros.
Wow.
Yes, you heard me right?
Sobrang baba.
1,500
Sobrang
euros
baba.
is 90,000 pesos. Yan lang po ang required ngayon na deposit ng Gisma University. Kung kayo ay interested, pwede na po kayong mag-apply ng visa. And the remaining balance, you can pay pa ng installment ng 6-10 months in Germany. And with that, may 20% pa rin kayong discount. Imagine mo, installment na, may discount pa.
May discount pa. Talagang.
20%. Now, kung naman nakakuha ka na ng visa, and then naisip mo, okay, bayaran ko na lang kaya yung buong tuition ko bago ako mag-start ng class. I-upgrade natin ang discount mo from 20% to 30%. Pati na event na sobrang dami mo namang pangbayad ng tuition, gusto mong bayaran in one go kaagad, no? Yung isang taon, okay din, 35% kaagad ang discount na pwede mong makuha. So, syempre, hindi naman natin pwedeng iwanan yung mga ating K-12 para sa bachelors. Yes. No, malaki din ang discount na ibinibigay namin sa ating mga K-12. So kung ikaw ay sobrang ginalingan at graduate ka with flying colors, no, with honors, then ang iyong average ay 89 above, pwede kang makakuha ng 50% na discount. Okay? Based on your GPA nung senior high school mo. So, pag nag-apply ka sa GISMA, ang bachelor's natin, bukod sa 3 years lang ang duration, ang 1 year is 13,125 euros with a 50% na discount, makukuha mo na lang siya ng 6,300 plus euros. Sobrang laking discount.
Yes, sobrang baba. Oh my
Yes.
Okay, so ayan. So, nabanggit na yung mga scholarship talagang sobrang baba or sobrang laki ng discount or less on our tuition fee. Matanong ko lang, Miss May, regarding on the regarding on the master's program related into computer program, on top pa yung 1,000.
Yes, on top.
So if meron kang 35% discount,
May 1,000
may
euros.
1,000 euro discount ka pa. Or kahit na 20%, sobrang laki na ng mababawas.
True.
Mas may 1,000 discount ka pa. And kung mag-installment, mababa lang ang deposit, 1,500 euro lang in peso, guys, no? To give you yung rate nila, yung rate nga natin ngayon, currency rate natin ngayon. If I am not mistaken, it's around 100,000, no? 100,300 something. So, sobrang baba ng deposit.
Actually, hindi. Parang nasa 90,000.
Nasa 90. So, ayan. So, pataas. Actually, pataas din naman ng pataas ang euro ngayon. Kaya hanggat mababa pa ang euro talaga, mag-apply na tayo. No, para that way, hindi na tayo mamahalan pa sa susunod na araw or susunod na buwan when we apply in Gisma University of Applied Sciences. So, sobrang laki ng tuition fee scholarship na ino-offer, no? Talagang, if i-compare natin, kasi yung mga Filipino ngayon, ang common na alam nila na country destinations is yung mga English countries.
Yes, correct.
No, hindi nila alam, meron palang Europe na same opportunity, you can work while studying, pwede ka magtrabaho, habang nag-aaral, at the same time, meron ka ding opportunity to work full-time after the study program. At isa sa pinakamaganda is very affordable yung kanilang tuition fee. It's because of the scholarship na ipinamimigay. At kailangan, eto ma'am, kailangan ba yan ng entrance exam? Kailangan ba ng mataas na grades para doon sa 20% or 35% scholarship?
Actually, wala. That's a standard payment plan. Walang any requirements. Apart, syempre, kung ano ang pipiliin ninyong payment plan. Doon lang tayo mag-base.
So, yan guys, wala nang pahirapan pa. Wala nang pahirapan pa sa pag-avail ng scholarship kasi automatically, pwede kayong mag-avail ng kanilang scholarship na 20% or 35% once you enrolled in GISMA University of Applied Sciences. So, ano bang inaantay nyo guys? Talagang, binigay na sa atin ng lahat ano pang gagawin natin, kundi i-grab na to. No, wag na nating sayangin pa kasi possible, pag dumami yung applicant, tumaas ulit.
Correct.
Hindi natin alam, no? Anytime pwedeng magbago. So hangga't maganda pa yung offer or hangga't maganda yung opportunity na ibinibigay sa atin, i-grab na natin yan. Wag na natin palampasin. Alright. So, sige ma'am. Next question natin ma'am is, alright, when it comes to age, eto din. Kasi most of our clients or applicants, they are matured.
Yes.
They are already 45, 50 years old, and they are very concerned when it comes to age. Iniisip nila baka hindi na sila mag-qualify, sayang lang ang oras nila.
Yeah. So, maganda po sa Germany, it's never too late for everyone. Walang age limit. Pwede po kayong mag-apply kahit ilang taon na po kayo, as long as, of course, ma-justify ninyo yung pag-aaral. Bakit ba at this age ay mag-aaral pa rin tayo? Wala tayong discrimination pagdating sa age.
Okay, so ayan, so mga viewers natin dyan, yung mga tita, nanay, and also yung mga lola. Pero, syempre, hanggat kaya, hanggat mga 50, 55 years old, they can apply for a student visa in Germany. As long as you can study, you can travel, you can read, you can write, you can walk, you can apply in GISMA University of Applied Sciences. Pwedeng-pwede tayo dyan. So, ayan, malinaw at walang age limit in GISMA and also in Germany. Okay, so, do you have, ma'am, do you have, advice ba na binibigay sa mga Filipinos na gustong mag-aral?
Palagi ko rin sinasabi, no, na this is your time. Ang Germany po ay very open, very welcoming. Wala tayong restriction, kagaya ng other study destination. Walang student capping sa Germany. Ang taas po ng approval rate natin, actually nasa around 99% ang approval ng Germany. Wala rin pong required na medical sa Germany. So yung iba na medyo nagda-doubt ng medyo may problema ng konti sa medical, this is your chance na din, no? Maraming opportunity ang naghihintay sa inyo sa Germany. Maraming programs na ino-offer ang GISMA University to upgrade your qualification, education, and with that, of course, yan ang mag-open ng doors sa inyo sa Germany and getting your post-study work visa, of course, and your goal to become a resident of Germany. So if kayo po ay ngayon ay super interested na and or meron pa kayong gustong i-clarify, if you want to know more about Germany, then wag po kayong mag-hesitate to contact Patrick and the Field Global team. Sila na po ang bahala sa application ninyo para sa GISMA admission and of course para sa visa process.
Yes, so when it comes on visa application, kami ang bahala sa inyo here in Field Global. We will help you to process your application going to Germany. And when it comes on the school application naman, no, we have here Miss May na mag-guide sa atin about our tuition fee, programs, and requirements no, in applying in GISMA University of Applied Sciences. So again, to all of our viewers, if may questions kayo dyan, no, we are now open for a question and answer no, para sagutin yung inyong mga tanong. So again, to all of our viewers, guys, if you have questions or clarification about GISMA University of Applied Sciences, please comment down below para masagot na natin yan. Okay? So yun, very interesting ma'am, no? Kasi in Germany, 29 Schengen countries yung pwedeng i-travel.
Totoo.
So talagang, Even ako, gustong-gusto ko na din
Kasi
talaga.
mag-travel pa.
Yeah.
Alam mo, sabi ko nga, minsan ang problema lang talaga natin, yung pera.
Oo, yeah.
Lahat naman siguro tayo gusto kasi it's very enjoyable
Mm.
ang pag-travel. And ang the best part na nakukuha natin sa travel is yung experience.
Mm.
And with that experience, we learn a lot. We
Yes.
learn about people.
Mhm.
We learn about different cultures.
Mhm.
Lalo kung Europe ang pag-uusapan.
Kaya
Very
nga.
rich ang history and
Sobra.
culture ng Europe. At iba't ibang nationality ang mamimit ninyo. 29 European countries. Ako yung super
Mhm.
na-excite.
Oo. Ako din, mame, pag yung may mga client kami na umaalis going to Germany, talagang sometimes hindi ko maiwasang hindi mainggit. Nainggit ako, but actually gusto ko din. Gusto ko rin makarating in Germany in student visa para that way I can explore Germany and at the same time yung mga katabing countries nga.
True,
Kaya
true.
sobrang interesting.
Yeah.
Hindi kailangan mag-apply ng tourist visa para pumunta ng ng other countries in Europe. Okay. And ayun pala, matanong ko din kasi some of our applicants, they have already family.
Yes.
Possible ba?
Yes, very possible no sa family
Mhm.
reunification po. Pwedeng pasunurin ang spouse at ang mga bata. So pag nakapunta na sa Germany ang spouse ninyo at they can work full-time at ang mga bata, libre po ang education. So with that, kung ang other country na ibibigay din, pero ang Germany is more kasi until the university. Sa iba po hanggang high school lang.
Mhm.
No, sa Germany, they can study for free until the university. Ang kailangan lang po ninyong malaman din is hindi kailangan na sabay-sabay. Kasi nga, ang ina-apply na visa is through the family reunion. But it won't take long. Kasi mga 3 months lang, pwede na pong sumunod ang spouse at ang mga bata. And ang free healthcare.
Yes.
Yan ang isa sa
Wow.
maganda rin, no? Sa Germany. Libre ang healthcare.
Mhm. Okay, so ayun guys, pwede nyong isama yung inyong family, pwede na kayo actually mag-migrate, no, once na you have your student visa. But of course, we have to follow the rules of the immigration. And sa panahon ngayon, talagang parang maganda na rin talaga mag-migrate sa mga nangyayari.
Kaya,
Okay, so,
questions?
ayan. Any questions or clarifications from our viewers in Facebook main page?
So, for our first question po from our live audience, what is the popular course for Philippine students?
Alright, popular
course. So, again, marami nag-apply sa business programs. And then, yung global MBA natin, marami rin mga interested and hindi nawawala ang ating tech programs. Ang data science, AI, yan naman ang super in demand ngayon, no? And, of course, yung engineering, marami din pong nag-apply. Computer science.
Yes, marami. Hindi man ang business, ang computer program kasi nandyan din ang pera
Hindi man kasi
talaga.
lahat ng programs natin.
Mhm.
So, that's why hindi natin po pwedeng i-pick na, ito lang ang program na
Oo.
ina-apply. Kasi
Yes.
everyone is applying to those programs that we have.
Mhm. At lalo na ngayon, ma'am, nadagdagan kayo ng
Yes,
program. Supply
totoo.
chain and logistics. Master's program yun, guys, ha?
Project management.
Project management.
Another question po for Mr. Ash. Pwede po ba student independent?
Yeah.
Okay, so as Miss May mentioned, yes po, pwede nyo pong maisama yung inyong dependent under family reunification visa. But of course, kailangan po kayo ay kasal. No, kailangan po married po kayo kasi i-apply po kayo ng family reunification visa pero hindi po kayo sabay pupunta in Germany. Kayo po ay susunod after ilang months and then kayo po ay allowed makapagtrabaho in Germany habang yung inyong partner ay nag-aaral at yung inyong anak ay magkakaroon ng free education at to K-12. So, yun yung kinagandahan doon if you will bring your family.
Next question, may course po ba for masters? And if has, how much po?
Ayan, syempre ino-offer talaga natin ang masters. No? Marami kaming masters po. Ang ating masters in business, kagaya ng sinabi ko, business management with different specialization. We have project management, we have supply chain, we have cybersecurity, we have human resources. Meron din tayong masters ng engineering computer science, masters ng data science AI, digital transformation, international business management, international relation, yung masters ng social media and influencer marketing, and meron tayong global MBA. Isang taon lang ang masters
Isang
natin.
taon lang.
Ang tuition po ay with a discount, let's say yun na lang pinaka-basic na 20%. So, papatak kayo ng mga nasa 12,000 euros, no, ang ating tuition.
Wow. 12,000, ganun kababa.
and 1,500 lang ulit ang deposit na required natin, euros. The rest, you can pay na in installment from 6 to 10 months.
Okay. So, ayun guys, no, here in the Philippines, ang masteral natin, if I'm not mistaken,
2 years.
2 years. Yung iba, 3 years pa. Naabot pa ng 3 years. But in Germany, 1 year lang yung inyong masteral program. Then after that, you can work full-time na in Germany. And also, magkakaroon pa kayo ng chance to become a permanent resident. But in bachelor's program, Miss May, gano'ng katagal ang bachelor's nila in Germany?
3 years lang.
3 years lang.
Yes.
Okay, so yan, sa mga K-12 graduate dyan na talagang gusto na nilang makatapos pa ng college, apply na kayo in Germany kasi 3 years lang. Here in the Philippines, mag-aaral kayo ng 4 years, bachelor's, no? Here in the Philippines, tapos...
True. At yung pasok sa school. Alam mo, pag nagkaroon ako ng mga consultation sa mga K-12 graduate, at nasabi ko sa kanila na nasa 2 days lang ang pasok sa school, ay, lumalaki ang mata nila sa tuwa. Kasi sa Pilipinas ay full weeks tayong nag-aaral, right? So, 9 to 5 p.m. pa. So, masyadong mahaba. So, this is like a very good parang setup para sa inyo. Hindi puro aral lang. At the same time, ma-enjoy nyo din po ang time ninyo sa Germany as an international student.
Yun din talaga ang maganda dyan. Kasi lalo na kung pagod na kayo sa pag-aaral, in Germany, 2 araw lang, hindi pa whole day, or 3 araw lang, tapos hindi pa yun whole day. You have time to relax. You have time talaga to do your part-time job. Hindi siya katulad dito sa Pilipinas na pag sinabing working student, talagang talagang paguran. After schooling, diretso sa trabaho. After magtrabaho, matutulog 2 hours, 3 hours, pasok na ulit sa school. But in Germany, you have 2 days to study and then the remaining days you can work part-time. But we have a limited working hours lang for international students. No, we only allowed to work 20 hours per week. Okay, talagang masusulit niyo yung 20 hours na yun. At talagang gamit na gamit natin yan once we study in Germany. Okay?
Next question from Miss G. Late joiner of your life. Ano pong course pwede sa high school graduate? But management team sa UA.
Pag yung high school graduate sa old curriculum po, dapat at least naka-second year or third year college kayo to be admitted, pero pang bachelor lang po. No? Wala po kaming ino-offer na programs kagaya sa other study destination na pwede ang mga diploma or certificate. We only offer higher ed programs, bachelors and masters.
Okay, so yun guys, yung mga pwedeng mag-apply in bachelor's program, sila yung mga K-12 graduate or college undergrad ng at least naka 2 years or 3 years po here in the Philippines. But if you are high school graduate all curriculum, hindi possible for us to apply or to enroll in Gizmo University of Applied Sciences. Para naman dun sa mga magte-take ng masteral program, at least you have your bachelor's degree na 4 years here in the Philippines para mag-qualify tayo.
Yeah.
Okay?
Next question from Miss Cyrene. Tutulungan po ba kayo ng school makapaghanap ng work after makagraduate?
Okay, palagi mo na encounter yung question na yan. No? Tutulungan, yes. Okay? Pero hindi bibigyan. Magkaiba yun yung tutulungan sa bibigyan ng work ng school. So yes, we have a very comprehensive career services support kagaya ng in-explain ko kanina. We will help you with the preparation. Marami kaming mga partner companies. Meron tayong practice how to answer interviews, how to write a proper CV, and then marami kaming mga ginagawang mga event like with our partner companies, then career fair, job fair, na magsisecure ng trabaho ninyo. Lalo na kung kayo ay mag-internship na, yun ang maganda. Kaya pwedeng makasecure ng job bago pa man mag-graduate kasi galingan natin sa internship kasi you're working with the German employers already. Pakita natin na maganda or maayos ang ating pagtatrabaho. Magaling.
Okay. Iyan din yung na-encounter namin here in Phil Global Miss May actually. But yun nga po, we can help you when it comes on processing of your visa, but when it comes on providing a job, we cannot help. No, kasi kayo po mismo ang maghahanap in Germany ng inyong part-time job. So nakadepende po 'yun sa kung paano tayo madiskarte na tao in Germany. And of course, hindi natin dapat i-expect na once we apply for a part-time job, talagang bongga na agad yung trabaho, di ba? So, doon muna tayo sa sa mga blue-collar jobs. No? Since nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo, wala pa tayong degree na natatapos in Germany. So, tiis lang muna tayo sa mga part-time jobs na available for us bilang isang international students. Once you graduated ng inyong bachelor's or ng inyong masteral, that's the time na we can find a job na gusto talaga natin na related sa kung anong natapos natin in Germany.
Next question from Mr. Jan. Magkano ang magagastos?
Okay, magkano ang magagastos? As Ms. May mentioned, for only 1,500 euro na initial tuition fee deposit, maka-enroll na tayo, and then the remaining tuition fee is payable in Germany. But of course, hindi lang naman yun yung magagastos natin. No? There's other fee na dapat nating i-consider like embassy fee and global fee. No? So, when it comes on the all-in expense, actually for only 199,000 pesos yung magagastos natin going to Germany with Phil Global and with GISMA University of Applied Sciences. Ganun kababa, no? If you will compare it to the other school, other country, no, wala tayong makikitang ganito. Only in GISMA, only in Germany. Okay, so I think that's all the questions. If ever may mga questions pa or clarifications pa, since we have a time lang no for this live talk show, you can message me in my WhatsApp or in my Viber para that way ma-assist ko kayo or matulungan ko kayo on your application in GISMA in Germany. And if ever, Miss May, meron ka bang any message to all of our viewers?
Parang na-message ko na sila kanina. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you again, Patrick and the team for having me. I'm looking forward po sa application ninyo to GISMA University. Let's go to Germany!
Yeah,
this is your chance,
go.
This is your time. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, habang talagang super kumbaga mataas pa ang approval ng visa natin. This is your, hindi natin dapat palampasin na opportunity. Kasi ang regulations or ang immigration rules and policies nagbabago from time to time. So, samantalahin natin ngayon. I hope to see you soon in GISMA University. Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much, Ms. May, for gracing us today, no, for discussing about the opportunities in GISMA, University of Applied Sciences. And also, thank you so much to all of our Facebook Live viewers. Maraming salamat po. Umpisahan na natin yung inyong application going to Germany. And I am here to assist and help you all throughout your application going to Germany. Again, I am Patrick Garcia, one of the Pathway Consultant and also Documentation Officer here in Phil Global. Maraming salamat po. Dankeschön, everyone.
Bye!